Good afternoon, and thank you for dropping into my craft room. This is Teresa with Boxcar Crafting, and I came across a really cool trick or technique, whatever you would like to call it, totally by accident this afternoon. I was in the process of making a card, and I didn't really like the way it turned out. So I tried something, and it actually worked. So I am going to be using this stamp here from the Framed Florets stamp set. And I was totally blown away by this, so I hope that you are as well. So I'm going to bring out my Pool Party ink up my stamp. And then I'm going to put the Pool Party there. And my chamois in, so I can clean that off quick. All right, and you can see kind of how pale that is. So I'm going to show you a really cool thing to really make it shine. I'm going to do this in two different colors. So I'm going to bring in my fresh freesia. Oops, helps if I stamp the right side where the stamp is. Hopefully you guys don't do the same thing I just did. So I'm going to put that right next to it. It's a little bit brighter than the Pool Party, but you're going to be amazed as I was when I came across this by accident. All right, so I'm going to bring in my dark Pool Party Stampin' Blend marker, and I'm just going to randomly kind of go over some of the stamped part of this. Not a whole lot, just kind of wherever it kind of moves you to go to, I guess. All right, there, I'll do a little there. And there's no right or wrong to how you do any of this, believe me. Okay, I'm going to bring in my dark fresh freesia and kind of do the same thing. Sorry, I've got music on in the background for my dogs to keep them quiet and sleeping while I am trying to do this video. Otherwise, I would more than likely have one on my lap and wouldn't be able to do this. So if you can hear the music, I hope you're a fan of country music. All right, let's see, put a little there. Okay, now comes the magic. I'm going to bring in my Memento ink. Stamp back again. And then ink it up. And then kind of do the best you can to line it up with your previous stamp. And look at that. Isn't that just awesome? I'm just totally amazed. I don't know, maybe it doesn't take much to amaze me. Maybe that's it. But I'm going to do the same thing with the fresh freesia. It's actually easier to see to line up. And look at that. Just a cool technique, so you don't have to color the flowers all in. It just gives a little bit of idea of colors. I can see that pretty well. I don't know. I'm just, like I said, I'm blown away by that, and I hope that you give it a try and see what other colors you can come up with to do that with. But I probably could have even done the leaves with a color as well. But I just had to share this. So thank you for popping into my craft room this afternoon. And I hope I can come up with some other tips and tricks for you in the near future. If you've got any questions, comments, I would love to hear from you. So feel free to share them down below this video and let me know if you try this trick and what color combination you use with the black ink. Thank you for stopping by again. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.